I'm Melissa Miller. I'm a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil. So I'm going to start with something. I have an idea for this. I don't know if it's going to go how I think it should go, but I'm going to start with this matte, this vintage white paint and one in here. So I'm just going to wipe this on. Okay, so this is going to work fine, just like that. So let me get this. I've already got paint all over my hands, so I don't feel like it matters, but look at this. So you can see it's not fully covered. I just used a paper towel. The white was definitely hot. Some of you don't know that I've got the black. I've got black ones on there now, and then I'll be adding the colored. So I think I'm just going to try this as a background. This is Admiral Blue. I'm going to go on here and I'm going to stencil the whole thing over here on the side, just so it doesn't look empty. I'm just filling in the side of this because I just need to. Let's go over here. Good. Okay, so I'm going to try putting a gel stain over this and see what happens. I don't know if it's going to turn out good, but how pretty is this, even just like it is? Look at how pretty that blue and that cream color are. So I'm hoping to make it look kind of old-fashioned by going over it with a stain. You can certainly do anything to this. This is now made into my, it's a background, or it could be just a pattern piece. So I'm going to try wiping it with a little bit of gel stain, and I'm going to see what happens. It's either going to make it cool or it's going to ruin it. I don't know, but it is wood. So the beauty of working with wood is that I could sand it off, right? It looks really pretty the way it is. But let's just see what happens. I just was trying to make it look kind of old and vintage. So we're just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna just make it look maybe a little bit more vintage. I made it look like it's been here for a long time. It's just gonna age it and almost make it now become almost a background. So now I've got this look. Not too shabby. Okay, so if I put Hello Spring over this. Okay, so we're just gonna go over this now with the cream. Okay, so let's pull this up and let's just see if this worked like I thought it should. That's cute. So now you can see how I pushed those, the pattern now became the background. And it is a little bit messy, not the most crisp stenciling because I'm using way too much paint on my brush and I did not have one of my good brushes, so. Okay. So now you can see how I was able to take that background and really just kind of make it a subtle background as a pattern because I think it's cute. We'll hold that up in just a second. It's definitely different than it started, right? Like the off-white and the blue was very striking, very busy. But now this, okay, let me see if I can get one in. Let me see if I can get one done because I wanted to pull one of the bunnies out. Here. I could stencil something above him. Every time I get the transfers, that's how they came about because I'm always like, we've cut shapes and we've cut to the shape of them, but every time I see those little blocks on there, I'm just like, I love the little blocks on the back of the packaging. So that is always kind of my go-to. And that's how they came about. Look at how cute that is. Okay. Kim Richardson, if you're on here, I shipped your blocks out today too. I shipped out several blocks today. Okay, let me hold this up. There we go. It looks much different also, I feel like, up here. And I know it's backwards, I'm so sorry. But that is how that went from the cream and the blue, which was really, really pretty. and I could have just waxed it a little bit and left it. I could have left it as far as, yeah, I'm going to put, this is for Carson and Jesse's baby nursery. Welcome to my crib. So this is for their door. And then she loves chickens. So I thought this might be cute to make them if she wants to switch it around. And so we'll probably put a couple of eye hooks right up here, and then some ribbon, and dress it up so it looks all finished. Isn't that cute? I mean, so that's how it turned out. All right, so thank you for all the feedback tonight too. And don't forget to comment if you are new here. Let us know you're new. We always like to know that. And then whatever else you would like to see here on our lives, we would like to help bring what you guys are wanting as our community here at Essential Stencils. So share this with a friend that is a crafter that might not know about Essential Stencil and their products. And so yeah, thanks for joining us tonight. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Stay safe. Bye.